The barriers to getting started with the Power Platform are much reduced. They're pretty much zero now. It's really about getting hands-on, getting going, trying things out. I'll just say one caveat on that. This moves so quickly. Don't look at stuff that's more than a year old. It's probably going to be out of date and wrong. It'll show you some old ways of doing it, and there are better ways now. And I've been in the IT industry a long, long time now. I've been through a number of different things, and this is the longest I've been in any one technology. But it's always changing. You've always got to keep on learning. I have a mantra: never stop learning, because things change every 2-3 years. If you haven't done any learning, you're out of date. Yeah, that's why I keep doing it. It makes it interesting. The Power Platform community is really good as well. We have meetings all over the world all the time. There's probably some sort of Power Platform event happening at least every month. So go along to those and start speaking to people and find out what you might be interested in.